Hi guys, welcome back. And in today's video, we'll be discussing about the entire packaging industry. So first, we'll discuss about what has been happening in the packaging industry and what is the overview of this industry. And second, we will be going into every company in detail, where we'll discuss the result and also what went down in the con call. Okay. So in the packaging industry here, we'll take the top three companies that are there. That is Moltec Packaging, TCPL Packaging, and Rajshri Polypack. Right. So let us start first with let us start first with the entire packaging industry and what it's what is the overview like, right? So if you start with the packaging industry, right, if you look back in terms of like probably FY 2020, 21, 22, in those years, you saw all of these packaging industry clock a really tremendous amount of growth, right? There was up till one point, I think, where you saw all of these packaging companies do a volume growth only of north of 20%, right? And there were at times these companies were doing volume growth of even 30%, very high double digit kind of volume growth these people were clocking in, right? Because if you see, after COVID, when we came out, right, there was a lot of pent up demand, right? As a result, because of this, we saw that these companies were able to clock this high volume growth. And also, even with respect to, if you had to compare 21, 22 with the previous year, the base year was very small. So both of these effects led to this high volume growth. Okay. Now, the other thing about this packaging industry, these packaging industry are a B2B business, right? Whether you take Moltec, whether you take TCPL Packaging, or if you take Rajshri Polypack also, all three are B2B business, which means what? Their clients are also some other business also. Let's take Moltec Packaging for example. Their clients are Asian Paints, a lot of food and FMCG companies and lubricant companies such as your Castrol, right? So, and if you take TCPL Packaging, their majority of the sale comes from your food and beverage industry, specifically the alcohol industry. Similarly, again, when you go to Rajshri Polypack, also FMCG ka business comes first, right? For them too. You would have seen this dairy milk, the dairy milk liquables, those kind of cups. That is what Rajshri Polypack does. Okay. Now, if you see all of these three industries, one thing you will see, because they are B2B, you will see that they're quite dependent on the other industries to perform well, right? And we've seen after COVID, paints, FMCG, QSR have been the most affected one, and in fact, these are the industries, especially in the consumption side, that are really grappling to come back, right? And we've seen always there has been one or the other problems, right? Whether it is with food FMCG, or if you talk about the paints industry or QSR industry, first they fought with the demand because there was a lack of demand after the pent up demand. The second case was, you saw that the raw material prices kept increasing, because of which there was a margin contraction. When the raw materials price came down, a lot of them had an a lot of inventory in their books, because of which they took losses. Inventory losses were there. And now, once the prices have come down, they have to take a price cut to produce more volume growth, right? So all of these are the problems that you see. And in fact, combining with this, we've seen a very tepid demand in these industries, right? Whether it is paints, whether it is FMCG, whether it is QSR. Now, if you are a company catering to all of these kind of sectors, of course you will be affected, because जिस सेक्टर को आप केटर कर रहे हो वही ग्रो नहीं कर रहे, तो आप क्या ग्रो करोगे, राइट? यू वुड नीड फूड एंड एफएमसीजी टू ग्रो, यू वुड नीड पेंट्स टू ग्रो, यू वुड नीड क्यूएसआर टू ग्रो, फॉर दीज पैकेजिंग इंडस्ट्रीज टू ग्रो, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली इनका क्लाइंट भी वो ही है, राइट? सो दैट इज अ मेन प्रॉब्लम राइट नाउ ओवर हियर, इज द लैक ऑफ डिमांड, because their clients are not growing. Okay, I'll start with, so this is the overview you can tell of what is happening with the packaging industry. Okay, now let us start with the Moltec Packaging, which is the first company we'll be covering over here. अगर आप Moltec पैकेजिंग का देखते हो, लेट मी जस्ट टॉक अ फ्यू मिनट्स अबाउट द बिजनेस मॉडल. आई वोंट गो इनटू डिटेल कि लाइक ये इंजेक्शन मोड कर रहा है, दैट कर रहा है. लेट्स जस्ट टेक, अगर आप Moltec पैकेजिंग का देखते हो, 50%, 50% ऑफ द रेवेन्यू कम्स फ्रॉम पेंट्स, ठीक है? और फिर 30% जो है, 30% कम्स फ्रॉम योर फूड एंड FMCG. 25 to 30% इट कीप्स वेरिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू द सीजन. एंड देन यू हैव द रेस्ट कमिंग फ्रॉम योर लुब्रिकेंट्स, ठीक है? लाइक वो ऑयल का जो होता है, लाइक फॉर कैस्ट्रॉल एंड अदर लुब्रिकेंट्स एंड अदर, दिस इज द other part of the revenue, ठीक है? एंड वेरी फ्यू हियर एंड देयर कम्स फ्रॉम फार्मा, विच इज फार्मा सेगमेंट, जिसके लिए आप फार्मा के लिए वो ट्यूब सब बनाते हो. इट इज अ वेरी वेरी फेयरली स्मॉल पोर्शन, बिकॉज दे हैव रिसेंटली स्टार्टेड इट. सो दिस इज मोर और लेस द काइंड ऑफ, इफ यू सी द ब्रेक डाउन दैट इज देयर. इफ यू सी ना, everybody over here, the only two difference between these packaging industries, one, the kind of products they make, and the second thing is the industry to whom they cater to. Like I told you, Moltec packaging का 50% आता है पेंट से, then other 30%, 25 to 30% आता है फूड एंड एफएमसीजी एंड द रेस्ट कम्स फ्रॉम लुब्रिकेंट्स, ठीक है. एंड दीज पीपल मेक अ लॉट ऑफ दिस. आपने अमूल का आइसक्रीम खाया ही होगा ना, यू सी दैट टब दैट कम्स, राइट. दीज काइंड ऑफ टब्स, आपने कैस्ट्रॉल का टब यू वुड हैव सीन ना, वो एक प्लास्टिक का कंटेनर में आता है. दीज आर द काइंड ऑफ पैकेजिंग दैट दे डू. ओके, नाउ हियर आल्सो द फर्स्ट, एक्चुअली आई जस्ट गिव यू entire overview of what has happened in FY24. And the beginning of the FY24, they told that they're targeting around high double digit kind of growth, around roughly 15 to 20% kind of growth, but they continuously kept failing in achieving the target. Okay, not just with Moltech Packaging, even with Moltech Technologies, because the promoters of both these companies are the same, hence the name is also same, right. You will see both the times in both of the business the promoter had over guided but underperformed over here. That is number one. क्यों हुआ ये? Because why they couldn't achieve the guidance? Number one is because, like I told you, food and FMCG में पहला growth नहीं था. On top of that, we had a lot of unseasonal rains in this year. So ज़्यादा unseasonal rain and your ice cream और juices का जो category होता है, that will see less growth ना, because nobody would like to eat an ice cream during rainy season. Ice cream का ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा sale होता है आपका summer season में, right? So this also impacted them because of a lot of unseasonal rains. ये food and FMCG का growth that is there became very 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 tepid. Okay, then the बहुत बड़ा झटका जो खाया Moltech Packaging ने वो था Asian Paints पे, ठीक है. Because if you see 50% of the revenue comes from paints. इसका 1/3, आपका पूरा कंपनी का 1/3 ऑफ द सेल्स जो है पेंट्स कैटेगरी में यहाँ पे आ रहा है Moltech पैकेजिंग को आ रहा है एशियन पेंट्स में, ठीक है. एशियन पेंट्स में क्या होता है वहाँ पे, दे आर ऑल्सो हैविंग हार्डली एनी वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ, राइट. ऑन टॉप ऑफ दिस उनका एक प्लांट था सतारा प्लांट बोल के, यहाँ पे देयर हैज बीन गोइंग ऑन अ लॉट ऑफ debottlenecking and they're trying to expand the facility. Because of this also the sales got impacted. Now coming to, if you talk about Q4 FY24, the situation has not improved. Okay, again the same reason, food and FMCG has not performed well. On top of that, Asian Paints को उनका क्या हुआ था? One of the reason was Asian Paints last year में they got a lot of sale from Asian Paints because these people developed a new package called thin wall package, ठीक है. And because of this, it was a very low cost packaging they had developed it. And earlier when they developed this package, no other competitors of Moltech Packaging was not doing this. So Asian Paints का पूरा 100% सेल जो था इस पैकेजिंग का आया Moltech पैकेजिंग को. In this year what had happened, a lot of other competitors also other than Moltech, 3 or 4 other people also started developing this. So Asian Paints ने क्या किया, उन सबको भी ऑर्डर दे दिया. So the order जो है has been split between these people and 3 or 4 competitors. So इसके वजह से भी Asian Paints का भी सेल गया. And like I told you, Asian Paints contributes 1/3 of the total sale. So combine all of these things, यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा झटका लगा इस बिजनेस के लिए. That is why you will see that the revenues जो है that hardly grew 6.5% on a year on year. अगर आप देखते हो मतलब पूरा साल का, ठीक है. एंड अगर आप पैट का अगर आप देखते हो ना, लेट मी जस्ट, सॉरी आई थिंक आई गिव द रॉन्ग नंबर्स. Yeah, sales जो has been down 4 point, not it didn't grow, sorry, sales that is there has been down by 4.2% on a year on year basis as well as QOQ basis, ठीक है. And if you look at the PAT has been down by 18%, right, 18% on a year on year basis and 21% in Q4. अगर आप वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ का भी बात करते हो, वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ has been quite flat in the entire Q4 और hardly grown by 4% in the entire year, ठीक है. Now you can imagine, right, 4% वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ के लिए कौन पे करेगा यहाँ पे. You see, कुछ भी पी हो, whatever it is, ultimately when growth is not there is no point in going further and looking के like growth ही नहीं है, वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ ही नहीं है, on top of that profitability भी नहीं है, what is the point of going further and looking, ठीक है. So now this is a problem with Moltech Packaging, like I told you. Now let's go to TCPL Packaging. अगर आप TCPL Packaging का बात करते हो, like the same thing, the same problem over here. उनका बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा जो आता है comes from food and beverage business, ठीक है. Like Moltech का आते हैं 50% पेंट से, इनका 50 से भी ज़्यादा आते हैं food and beverage includes यहाँ पे alcohol also, ठीक है. Here what has happened in the last 1 year in the entire alcohol industry, we've seen for a lot of products decartonization हुआ है. Decartonization का मतलब क्या है? Earlier you would see कि like जो भी alcohol का bottle आता था ना, it used to come in this package. मतलब आपने वो paper का package देखा होगा ना, मतलब that carton में आता था एक. If you remember this Antique and everything, the other brands that are there, right? But अभी आप दुकान में जाके देखो, आपको कुछ खरीदना है, डायरेक्टली आप शेल्फ से लोगे और बिलिंग कर दोगे. There is no एक वो पेपर पैकेजिंग, वो फोल्डेबल पैकेजिंग होते हैं, उस पर नहीं आते हैं, राइट. सो द एंटायर अल्कोहल इंडस्ट्री व्हाट दे हैव डन इज दे हैव गॉन फ्रॉम दिस पैकेजिंग टू डायरेक्टली जस्ट सेलिंग द बॉटल्स, ठीक है. ओनली फॉर द प्रीमियम ऑफ द प्रीमियम प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक क्रीम ऑफ द पाई यू आर सीइंग दिस, वो लोग एक कार्टन में बेचते हैं. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने देखा होगा दिस रंथम्बोर बाय रैडिको खैतान, राइट. वरना आप देखोगे दिस मॉर्फियस एक ब्रांड है, आई फॉरगॉट फ्रॉम which brand this alcohol is. All of these high end premium जो whiskey होता है, the other hot drinks that are there, these only come in packages. So as a result, because ultimately a huge part of the sale has been gone over here because of this decartonization, ठीक है. And on top of that high pace, इसका यहाँ पे सेल का पूरा यहाँ पे वाट लगा है because of the sale. And ultimately when this is reflected in their growth also, you will see that because this was one such company, I'll tell you, the entire packaging industry that was growing its sales by 18%, 20%, right, in once upon a time, and they were consistently doing 18%. In fact, they have always guided कि like हम लोग 18% से grow करेंगे. That has been the revenue target. Now you will see this year कि like one, sales growth has hardly been 2.6% in this entire Q4, right, and पूरा साल का अगर आप देखते हो ना, it has hardly grown by 4.5%, ठीक है. And on top of that, in this FY24 में, I think I do not remember which quarter, शायद Q2 में होगा या Q3 में, these people came and revised the guidance. And I've always told you, right, जब भी एक कंपनी आता है और गाइडेंस को कम करता है, that is ultimately telling you प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है and it is a bad news for an investor. इन लोगों ने यही किया था. Earlier they should tell कि like we strive to grow for 18%. उन्होंने बोला था कि like probably right now we can hardly do 10 to 15%. That if things go really well for us and the demand gets back, right? So you can understand. In fact उनका PPT में अगर आप जाके देखो ना, उनका एक चेयरमैन का मैसेज आता है, ठीक है, मतलब एवरी टाइम देयर इज दिस वन स्लाइड एंड यू विल सी, आई थिंक यू कैन गो एंड चेक probably Q4 of last year and Q1 of this year, they would still put it in the bottom कि like, you know, we are striving for an 18% kind of growth in this year. Now they have completely changed the statement कि like we used to grow by 18% CAGR. Like see, these are the little things, you know, you people ask मेरठ हम कॉल को कैसे पढ़ते हैं, these are the little things that you can see. जैसे वो statement change होता है, right, that is how you interpret it, ठीक है. This is why there is no shortcut for you to कि like, you know, आप कोई भी like shortcut नहीं पा सकते हो, you know, you can't include AI and everything. स्क्रीनर का नोट्स काफ़ी है, बट ऑल दिस लैंग्वेज का इंटरप्रिटेशन करना ना, आपको कोई भी AI करके नहीं देगा, कुछ भी नहीं करके. यू हैव टू डू द हार्ड वर्क ऑफ रीडिंग द कॉन कॉल. दैट इज हाउ यू नो कि लाइक कहाँ पे, यू नो, क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रही है एंड हाउ डू यू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है. सो एनीवेज वही TCPL का है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सेल्स इज हार्डली ग्रोन बाय 2.6% इन Q4 एंड अराउंड 5% फॉर द फुल ईयर. लाइक अगर आप पैट का देखते हो, पैट हैज बीन अप by 20.4% on a Q4 and 8% on a year-on-year basis. Now the reason आप देख रहे हो कि like on a QOQ यहाँ पे पैट का ज़्यादा ग्रोथ आ रहा है in spite of sales, you know, hardly being 2.4% is because उनका रॉ मटेरियल का कॉस्ट जो है that has come down, ठीक है. And if you look at it, उनका यहाँ पे there are two things, right? If you look at the business model, 80% आते हैं फोल्डिंग कार्टन से and 20% आते हैं फ्लेक्सिबल पैकेजिंग. ये फोल्डिंग कार्टन क्या होता है, लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, वो अल्कोहल का जो आता है ना, मतलब वो in which you get alcohol का पैकेजिंग, राइट, दो पेपर का. और आई थिंक वन ऑफ द मोस्ट कॉमन रिलेटेबल फैक्टर फॉर यूज, आपने कोलगेट का टूथपेस्ट अगर आप खरीदते हो, वो एक बॉक्स में आता है ना, वो पेपर का बॉक्स में, दैट इज योर फोल्डिंग कार्टन्स. और फ्लेक्सिबल पैकेजिंग इज लाइक आप मैगी का, आप वो पेपर का, प्लास्टिक का पैकेजिंग होते हैं ना, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज फ्लेक्सिबल पैकेजिंग, राइट. नाउ दे वुड नीड दिस फ्लेक्सिबल पैकेजिंग टू इंक्रीज मोर एंड मोर, बिकॉज जो आपका फोल्डिंग का कार्टन है ना, वहाँ पे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रेशर आ रहे हैं. वन, बिकॉज वो डीकार्टनाइजेशन ऑफ एंटायर अल्कोहल इंडस्ट्री हो गया. बिकॉज इफ यू लुक इन जनरल ना, अ लॉट ऑफ अस, इफ यू सी, आप एक बार ग्रोसरी शॉप में जाके देखो, राइट, यू विल सी मेजॉरिटी ऑफ देम आर इन फ्लेक्सिबल पैकेजिंग. आपका बिस्किट का पैकेज आप देखो, चॉकलेट का पैकेज देखो, आपको वो कॉटन में नहीं आता है ना, वो तो आता है वो ऐसा प्लास्टिक में, जैसे आप एक फाड़ सकते हो एंड इट कंप्लीटली टेयर्स, राइट. सो फोल्डिंग कार्टन में देयर आर थ्री इंपॉर्टेंट इंडस्ट्री, राइट. Folding carton, by the way, contributes 80% of the revenue. One is alcohol, the other one is your मिठाई का डब्बा आपने देखा होगा ना, एक अच्छा सा फोल्डिंग का, it comes in a bit of premium box. Then आपका साड़ी का बॉक्सेस आपने देखा होगा, right? If you have mothers or wife, you would know, right? वरना आपका बनियन का आपने देखा होगा. If you go to this, there is this famous brand in the south of India. I think it starts from R. और आई थिंक फ्रॉम के, यू नो, ऑल दिस शर्ट का आपने देखा होगा पैकेजिंग, वो एक कार्टन में आता है, राइट. सो दीज आर द फोर मेन इंपॉर्टेंट. पहला तो अल्कोहल तो कंप्लीटली गया है यहाँ पे बिकॉज ऑफ डीकार्टनाइजेशन, दैट इज नंबर वन. ये तीनों जगह में, मिठाई में, साड़ी का, बनियन का, सब में, दीज आर द अदर इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर्स वेयर इंपॉर्टेंट इंडस्ट्रीज दैट सेल दिस फोल्डिंग पैकेजिंग, राइट. ये कार्टन वाला पैकेजिंग. यहाँ पे क्या प्रॉब्लम है, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ स्मॉल प्लेयर्स, अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड प्लेयर्स ओवर हियर, अ ह्यूज पार्ट दैट इज देयर. सो दीज पीपल कांट कम्पीट विद देम, ठीक है, बिकॉज यहाँ पे, बिकॉज दोज पीपल कैन कोट वेरी लोअर प्राइजेस, मार्जिन ही नहीं बचता है उनके वहाँ पे, राइट. एंड सो हियर दिस एंटायर फोल्डिंग का बिजनेस, फोल्डिंग पैकेजिंग का बिजनेस दैट इज देयर इज बिकमिंग वेरी वेरी टफ फॉर देम एंड दे वांट टू ग्रो इन द फ्लेक्सिबल पैकेजिंग बिजनेस, राइट. एंड दैट इज वेयर दे आर प्लानिंग टू ग्रो. पर फ्लेक्सिबल पैकेज में क्या प्रॉब्लम है, द एंटायर इंडस्ट्री, अगेन मोस्ट ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री इज कमिंग फ्रॉम फूड एंड एफएमसीजी, एंड फूड एंड एफएमसीजी में वी आर सीइंग हार्डली single digit growth or low single digit growth. This quarter has been a bit better, where we've seen even the likes of Nestle clock a 10% growth. So the entire year, for the entire growth of TCPL packaging right now comes if there is a revival in the food and FMCG business. If you see that the food and FMCG business is growing at a very high top line, at least if they can do high single digit and low mid-teens ka digit, you can see that the growth rate coming back over here for TCPL packaging. Okay? So this is one. Other than that, if you look, there is this one subsidiary called InnoFilms. इनका एक subsidiary है, बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम चल रहा था आज तक, आई मीन एटलीस्ट लास्ट क्वार्टर तक, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो है उनका जो मशीन्स है ये पैकेजिंग बनाने के लिए, वो मशीन्स खराब हो गया था, एंड दे वांटेड टू गेट, एंड दिस मशीन्स यू नो दे हैड टू इम्पोर्ट इट फ्रॉम जर्मनी एंड दे वर नॉट गेटिंग इट. सो बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स था, एटलीस्ट दैट प्रॉब्लम इज सॉल्टेड इन फिल्म्स. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द अपडेट. बट अल्टीमेटली हियर फॉर TCPL पैकेजिंग यू नीड द रिवाइवल ऑफ फूड एंड FMCG बिजनेस, एंड यू नीड द डिमांड टू गेट बेटर हियर फॉर देम टू बी एबल टू ग्रो. ठीक है, द लास्ट वन अगर आप देखते हो इज राजश्री पॉलीपैक. इवन राजश्री पॉलीपैक अगर आप देखते हो, इफ यू कंपेयर ऑल ऑफ द थ्री, Moltek पैकेजिंग, TCPL पैकेजिंग एंड राजश्री पॉलीपैक, you will see that Rajshri Polypack has the highest sales growth, it has the highest volume growth. ठीक है, just to give you the numbers, अगर आप revenue देखते हो इसका, Rajshri Polypack है, the revenue has grown by 8% in the entire year, FY23 वर्सेज FY24, और Q4 में 7% ग्रो हुआ है. ठीक है, whereas Moltek पैकेजिंग डिग्रो रेवेन्यू, राइट, एंड ऑल्सो दिस ये क्या बोलते हैं TCPL पैकेजिंग का हार्डली 5% वर्सेज दिस. सिमिलरली इफ यू टॉक अबाउट वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ इन टर्म्स ऑफ आपका Moltek पैकेजिंग पूरा साल का वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ वॉज 4%, इनका लो सिंगल डिजिट था, सो इट शुड बी समवेयर बिटवीन 2 to 4%. दे डिडंट गिव एक्जैक्टली द वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे अगर आप वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ देखते हो, राजश्री पॉलीपैक का 9.66% है. ठीक है, सो यू विल सी द हाइएस्ट सेल्स ग्रोथ, हाइएस्ट वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ. ठीक है, नाउ हियर कम्स अ कैच, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग कांट गो सो वेल ना, दैट्स ऑलवेज अ पार्ट. यू विल सी हियर पैट हैज बीन वेरी वेरी फ्लैट. ठीक है, बिकॉज लास्ट ईयर का पैट था FY23 का 11 crores, इस ईयर का पैट था 10 crores. सिमिलरली Q4 ऑन was Q4 if you take, last year का Q4 was around 2.5, this year का Q4 is 2.3. it is a clear indication कि like ये business in spite of they're doing a volume growth कर रहा है, sales बढ़ रहा है, यहाँ पे एटलीस्ट थोड़ा सा सिंगल डिजिट में सेल्स बढ़ रहा है. द फैक्ट हियर इज वेरी वेरी सिंपल कि लाइक दे आर एबल टू इंक्रीज द सेल बाय अंडर कटिंग द प्राइसेस. इनका कोई मार्जिन ही नहीं है, राइट, इसलिए आप देखते हो इनका पैट मार्जिन जो है इज हार्डली 3 to 4%. एटलीस्ट इफ यू लुक एट Moltek, उनका हाई सिंगल डिजिट का पैट मार्जिन होता है. इवन इन फैक्ट इफ यू लुक एट TCPL पैकेजिंग, द मार्जिन इन स्पाइट of being a B2B business is around 7.2. I think when the season was good for them, when everything was going good for them, was 10%. But Rajshri Polypack का अगर आप देखते हो मार्जिन्स पे बहुत प्रेशर है, हार्डली 3.2%, because like I told you, in order to get clients, in order to get that volume growth, they're selling the margins, right? They're underquoting the prices. The second thing is यहाँ पे raw material का prices बढ़ा है, and in spite of the, and you know, they're not able to grapple with it. So that is why you're seeing the bottom line is affected over here. And here another thing, see, always it's not just about sales growth, it is not just about volume growth. Everything has to come into conjunction for you to be able to hold the business. The problem with Rajshri Polypack is you will see that their ROE that is there, that is still at like 7 to 9%. I think even a year back it was the same, around 6.5%, 7%. It is still the same. Let me, हाँ, ROE जो है, ROE was 7.6% last year. This time it is 7.1%. I have a small notes I'm reading from that. ठीक है, I think before that also it was hardly 6%. So here ROE, whenever it is a low ROE ना, the problem here is if you as a business are targeting to grow at let's say 15% और आपका ROE है 7%, to get that extra growth, वो 7 से 15% करने के लिए आपको डेट लेना पड़ेगा या वरना आपको QIP करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, ये दोनों आपको करना पड़ेगा. in fact in this year I think they've done 2 times QIP. ठीक है, इसलिए उसका इक्विटी बेस बढ़ा है एंड वहाँ पे प्रॉफिट भी नहीं. सी अल्टीमेटली डूइंग QIP इज नॉट बैड, बट व्हेन यू आर डूइंग QIP 2 to 3 times in a year, ultimately it is like to grow the business. I don't care how small the business it is quite like a bad news for a shareholder, because आप indirect like see when the ROE, when you're doing this equity QIP every time, ROE तो कम होता जा रहा है ना यहाँ पे ultimately. That is number one. The second thing over here is you're indirectly telling me me that you do not, as a business, you are not generating enough cash to put it back in the business and grow. That is why you have to constantly do an QIP या debt लेना पड़ता है यहाँ पे. So this is one thing. Like, this is the kind of business I would completely avoid, because ultimately when you do not have a pricing power, right? When you don't have any kind of pricing power over here, it is, it is not sustainable at a very long run, and that is just clearly shown because ROE has three factors: asset turnover, आपका margin and financial leverage. ठीक है, यहाँ पे asset turnover volume growth is also low because volume growth is single digit. Let's be very honest, single digit volume growth is just not impressive. You could be the best in the industry, but ultimately single digit volume growth is just not acceptable. The second thing is margins. It clearly shows margin is hardly 3%. So of course volume growth नहीं है, margins भी नहीं है. How will the ROE increase, which are the two most important parameter for you to push your ROE, right? So these are the three problems. So one, if you look at the entire packaging industry, I think this is one such industry that post COVID का pent up demand के बाद, it has been very hard for them to recover, right? In fact, everybody in this industry has revised their guidance on the lower end. Whatever they used to guide for earlier, like whether it is Moltech, they should tell 20% growth, and now they're telling 10 to 15%. TCPL packaging, you should tell 18, now again 10 to 12% is what they're aiming for. Rajshri Polypack doesn't give out any guidance, but again same thing, if those two can't grow, even this will be around in that range only, right? That is one thing. And all of these people are dependent on the likes of paints and FMCG, and you're seeing over there it is very difficult for those industries, the companies that are operating in this space, to grow. So how will, of course, these companies grow, right? So ultimately here, one thing and one thing only, you will need the revival of paints industry, you will need the revival of FMCG industry for these companies to grow. Okay, last one thing I would like to highlight over here is with Moltech packaging, that I forgot, is Moltech packaging, like I told you ना, 50% आ रहे पेंट्स के इंडस्ट्री में. Along with the Asian Paints का जो मैंने प्रॉब्लम बोला था, क्या हुआ था, there is another problem that came up. ठीक है, now these people are even catering to this Aditya Birla group का, वो ग्रसिम का है ना, they've started the production. It has recently started in February. So इस ग्रसिम के वजह से they are supposed to get 8 to 9% का वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ. ठीक है, now what has happened, because paints में इतना सारा companies आ गया, there has been more competition over here. So competition बढ़ता है even for packaging industry, and margins यहाँ पे थोड़ा compress हो रहे हैं. So earlier they used to cater to this lot of small, unorganized players also in the paint industry, but because इतना सारा paints आ गया है, along with that packaging also has come, यहाँ पे competition के बढ़ने के वजह से they're not able to increase the price और margins थोड़ा कम हो रहे हैं. So they've let go of a lot of क्या बोलते हैं, lot of these small unorganized players in the paint sector. So that is also one of the reasons why उनका, because 50% is coming from paints का space. Asian Paints का, like I told you, वो thin wall packages का, Asian Paints gave a lot of orders for them last year, full order. Now the same order is split between 3 to 4 people. That is number one. Second is उनका ये paints का बहुत problem हो रहा है, like paints का demand ही नहीं है. The other thing, if you see paints में, like I told you, they have closed down the business with a lot of these small players. That is the reason you see that volume growth was hardly at 4%. ठीक है, because if you look, वो 50% जो revenue आता है paints में, you'll see that there has been a negative volume growth in paints ka section for Moltech packaging, right? I forgot to highlight this, so thought of doing this. So ultimately rounding it off, like just ending the video by telling ki, like like I told you, right, you can have the great management, you can have everything, you can be the best product or everything, because if you look at all these products, they have a lot of R&D and patent and everything. It doesn't matter. Ultimately what matters is the demand, and if you do not have the demand, if you do not have the tailwind, there is nothing that you can do. You can have the best of the management, but ultimately it goes all for a toss when there is just no demand. You need the demand, you need the tailwind for you to survive and make money in any industry, right? So that's it about packaging industry. I will also upload the video on QSR tonight. And then we will start doing a lot of these small cap companies. I also want to cover real estate, but since I've never covered real estate in my channel before, right, I have to start probably a real estate series explaining what parameters to look at, and then take every companies and then do a B2B. Let's see if I'm able to do this quarter, if the time permits, because it's already 18th June. So yeah, let's see. Anyways, that's it about packaging industry. I'll see you in the evening with the QSR space. Take care. Bye.